Continuing to Civil 3D class. Today video is about how to create a best fit profile. I have alignment and already I have created a natural surface profile. If I want to create a best profile for the design, how I will create? There are different methods, and today video we will discuss that. First of all, I will go to the home tab, the profile view, and I will click on the create best profile and asking for the profile view. I will select the profile view. There are options for the input data. As you can see from here, there are input type, AutoCAD blocks, 3D polyline, AutoCAD font, Kubo font, surface profile, and feature line. You can select here anything from this option. So I will select surface profile. When I selected the surface profile, there is option weeding option. Weeding option is for the angle tolerance and distance. So you can select here and can check the tolerance and angle tolerance and the distance, but we don't need here because generally speaking, this will 3D create the design profile very near to the natural ground. So we can adjust it later also. We have option. Already it select the surface profile because we have only one surface profile. So you have many from this green block. You can select the surface profile from here or this one, which is asking. Okay, this bit profile option. There is maximum radius for curve. The maximum radius is okay. The curve type. There are two curve type options. You can select one. Profile draw method. Allow above and below. Only above like this. So you can select if you need only fill, then select the above only. If you can adjust the cut and fill, so select this option from here. Okay, creation setting alignment road 1, which we already selected the profile. You can give the design profile or anything you can write. Okay, design already select the ground, so I will write the design profile style. Okay, layer, show report, and label offset. So if I want to check the report, I will select this one, and I don't need this label on the offset. I will, if you check this, you will see what will happen here. Now from here, it should display the difference between the entities from here. It is not showing anything. It shows the distance between the difference between the two lines. Okay, now as you can see here, it created the profile design profile along the natural ground. So the natural ground here, as you can see, is not the similar as we draw the road. So for that, you just click here and go to geometry editor. From here, what can you do? Just select this delete PVI option, and here you don't need, just click near to the itself PVI and it will delete. Suppose we need the straight one here, so you can adjust later like this one. This area also we need straight road, then the design. So like this, you can adjust your design. Here you don't like, you can delete by pressing the design. So now it's the one, I think this one is not looking good. So like this you can adjust, and if you need something, sometime suppose I have deleted this one and I want to create this one till sun. So like this I can create so if you need some time you can create another, or just press here and you can adjust just by pressing, by stretching like this one you can adjust your design. So that was the one method how you can create this profile. Okay, now you will select and delete this one. The next method is I will select this one. I will go to geometry editor. Is asking for the profile. So select profile. Because I have deleted the profile, so what will I do? I will create another one. So just go to profile creation tool, and from here select the name, this PGL for this one, the design profile, and profile label. I need the complete label, or I will use this one. Okay. Now from here there is an option here, fix tangent, this tangent base fit profile here, or floating upload tangent base fit profile. Also here you can see pre-vertical curve base fit here, floating vertical curve base fit. So let's create this one. I will select this one, fix tangent base fit. Okay, when I have selected it, asking for there is option input option from Coco point, from entities, by clicking on the screen. I will select this one. Okay, and I will start from here, and let's select profile here. As you can see, I am clicking, it's creating. Okay, I will press enter, and then it asking for if you have agree, you are agree with this one. There is a difference, like you can see offset to entity, there is offset in different station, like here it's creating 1.4 meter, then above, then below, like this. Here is cut, there is fill, like every station it's showing. So anything you don't want you can exclude from here. Just select this one, select anything. If you don't want this one, just check this one, and it will not include this one, it will include r pass 3. So I agree with this one, so I will save and I will click here. Okay, again I will go to the same, and then from here by clicking on the fill I will select let's say from this one here and the end, and just press enter and okay. Okay, now for creating arrow, I will select the first entity, this one, the next entity, this one, and from here by clicking on the screen I will select here, and now you can see it create a base fit profile for the MGL. So from here as you can see now the profile is looking good. So if you want to edit this profile, just go here and this one, the other one, and from here you can adjust the elevation, the radius. From here you can adjust where you want this option we have. So like this you can create different type of profiles, best profile where you want for the surface. If you don't have, Civil 30 will create for you the best profiles from here. Then it's the same like the other one, you can edit the geometry, you can create